My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2015 Ford Fiesta. This vehicle has done just over 75,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. On the steering wheel, we have features such as voice control and cruise control. We also have aux, as well as Bluetooth. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.